I have my HD-10 camera set up with a 50mm f1.4 lens screwed directly to it, and the camera is aimed at my bookshelf in my den. Right now the exposure is set to 1 millisecond, and I'm going to gradually increase the exposure. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 20, 31, 51 milliseconds, 92, 125 milliseconds. The gain is at 1, which is minimum, and by sliding the slider to the right, you can increase the gain. I'm going to go back to 1. You can adjust the saturation. Right now it's at 8. I could increase the saturation, which would increase the coloring. Lower the saturation. That moves towards monochrome. I'll go back to the center just about. I can change the contrast. Lower it. Increase it. Back to near center. Gamma. Lower. Raise. Back to the center. You can change the red. To get some really atrocious colors. You can increase the blue. You can increase the sharpness. Decrease the sharpness. Denoise, this is more like an average stacking function. Denoise 0, denoise 7. That's like an average stack of 7. I'll put it at 3. Fluorescence is histogram. You could raise the black, lower the white, you can see that it's very easy to operate the HD-10. If you take the lens off, and I'm going to do that right now, trying to test the camera without a lens is going to be rough because the image is not focused. That's the same image we had earlier with the lens off. You can lower the exposure. And you can see the camera is responding to light. But without a target and a focus, it's hard to see if the camera is in focus. So let's put the lens back on. And this is a little C-mount, like I said, 50mm f1.4 lens. Straight on. And there it is.